Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about how to save an SVG version of your project to your computer. This means that you'll basically take your project, download it to your computer, and then you can store it on a hard drive or anywhere else that you might want to that's not saved in the Easel cloud. So we're just going to kind of go through that really quickly. I've got a project right here. I'm ready to save it. I can go up to here, up at the top of the page and click on Project. I'll get that drop-down menu, and one of the options will be Download Project Zip. When I click on that, it'll ask me to confirm if I'm choosing all work pieces or just the current week work piece. So if we look at this down here, I've only got one work piece, so it would only save one, but if I had multiple, it would save both of them, or I could choose just to save the one that I'm looking at. In this case, we've just got the one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Project, Download Project Zip, and I'll select Current Workpiece. And then I'll download that zip. It'll then go into my downloads, and I can kind of visualize that here. This is my, it'll be the project title. Mine was titled Untitled, and then .zip, and it'll come into a zip folder, so you will need to extract it. On Mac, if you double click it, it should extract it. On Windows, when you select the file, there'll be an extract all button kind of right above it in the window. And then once I do that, I can click on the extract folder, and then there is a SVG of my design. And that's how you save as a project zip as an SVG file. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.